Hello YouTube, it's Global Lemmings here, and in this tutorial I will show you how to make a realistic look tattoo like in this photo here. So first of all, you will want to open up a blank image of the person you want tattooed. So I'll go ahead and delete this tattoo. And then once you've got your file open, you will also want to open up the tattoo photo. So I've got a tribal drawing. And then once you've got that tattoo file open, press V on the keyboard or click this button here. And then click on your tattoo photo and click and drag over to your other photo and drag it into the middle and let go. Photo should appear in here. It will be too big or too small, so you want to go to edit and free transform or press Ctrl T and then resize it to the size you want. So I'm thinking that size, because it's going on the forearm, yeah, that size will do. And then you want to rotate it as well, or you might not want to rotate it, but I do. So once you've rotated it, drag it into position, and then once you think it's there, click enter, and then go to the bottom right hand corner with this layers palette in the bottom right hand corner, and make sure layer 1 is selected, and on this drop down menu here I want you to find multiply. You don't have to use the multiply one, you can use a darken one or just flick through them, whichever one you think looks best, but I'm going to use multiply. And that gets rid of that little horrible white background. Obviously it's still not looking very real, this tattoo. I'll just move it a bit. And then you want to go back to the free transform tool, Ctrl T, or edit free transform. And you want to come up to this little symbol here, and you want to click that, and loads of boxes will appear, and basically you want to drag it so it crops the photo onto the image you want. So you got none of the tattoo going over your arm, like so. Bit too much there. And then once you've done that, once you think it's looking good, just go ahead and click enter. And that's already looking a lot better. Obviously you're going to take your time on this and yours will look a lot better than mine does. And then once you've done that, what you will want to do is go to, you don't have to do this but I recommend it, go to filter and then go to blur and Gaussian blur, this one here, click on that one. And then you may want to experiment with it. It's just so it makes the tattoo not look as crisp, makes it look more realistic. So I'll have it about 0.2 pixels. You can have it whatever you want, 0.7, but I think that might look a bit too blurry. So I go ahead and do 0.2. Go ahead and click enter, and it's looking a lot more realistic now. And to add the final touch, you want to go back to the layers channel, make sure layer 1 is selected, and change the opacity to probably about 60-70%. It depends whatever looks best for you. And then once you've done that, I'll say I'm going to go about 69%. Once you've done that, that's pretty much it. That's how to make a tattoo look realistic. If you are using a color tattoo, you may want to change the multiply from the drop down menu. You may want to experiment with different ones, because multiply probably will not work with a color tattoo. And thanks for watching, and that's a tutorial on how to make a realistic tattoo. Please rate and subscribe, and if you have any comments or queries, please post them in the comment box and I will reply to you.